In this video, we'll be taking a look at why Coca-Cola is down 11% since the start of the year. If you do enjoy, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get straight on into this. As you can see, we're on Coca-Cola stock graph, and we're looking at why the stock has tanked in the first bit of 2021. If we go back to the end of 2020, we can see that the stock ended the year trading at almost $55, but since then it has dropped almost 11%. This is a bit better than the end of January, to where the stock was down 12.2% compared to the S&P 500 that was down only % in January. So why is this? Well, Coca-Cola also had a terrible 2020, and if we go look at their stock graph for the last year, we can see that it began 2020 trading at almost $60. However, it took a massive drop, dropping down to about $37 in March 2020. But we know this is because of the coronavirus pandemic. Most S&P 500 stocks did this. Coca-Cola didn't recover, and through the whole year it was down from its $60 high at the beginning of the year, ending the year, however, only $5 off the beginning of the year, while the S&P 500 was up nearly 10% in 2020. So, why is this? Well, Coca-Cola has been hit especially hard by the coronavirus pandemic, with them having to implement strict social distancing measures in their EU and USA factories. This has hampered their production rates and, as a result, reduced their revenue. As well as this, Coca-Cola haven't been able to sell as many drinks as they normally would. A lot of Coca-Cola's drinks, including their water brands like Dasani, are sold at theme parks, music concerts, bars and restaurants. And as these haven't been open worldwide, there hasn't been as many sales for the company. This has hampered Coca-Cola's revenue, and it's expected that their Q4 performance is going to be 5% down on the previous time in 2019. So Coke isn't having a great time. However, I do think Coca-Cola will recover as their issues look to be resolved when the coronavirus pandemic ends. It doesn't look like there's some systemic issue in the company. It just looks like they're not having a great time during the pandemic. So I do believe, keep an eye on Coca-Cola. If they do drop a little bit, then maybe it's a buy, but I'd say stay away at the moment. Don't forget though, I'm not a financial advisor, so make your own decisions when trading, and that's it for today's video. If you did enjoy, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Goodbye. Before you call my ass again, yeah. I switched you on the speakerphone. Play this song, just sing along. Da, da, da.